From 33 years old.
Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about 3 important things which plays important role in any human being's life. Doesn't matter you're living in west, east, south or north. Number 1, faith. In simple word is believe and hope. Believe in yourself, play important role in your life. All you need to do, choose the right path and go for it. But choosing the right path is the first step. You have to ask yourself, that's the destination, this is the goal which I want. Once you decide that this is the goal I want, then believe in yourself and go for it. But that path has to be the right path. You have to ask yourself, you have to challenge yourself, that's what you want. If you want that, that's it. There is no going back. You will see a lot of criticism, you will see a lot of people, they will stand, they will try to tell you, no, you can't do it. But if you believe in yourself, you made a decision, that's it. Then there's no way, there's no stopping, and there's no one in the world can defeat you. All you need to do is choose the right path and do not give up. Number two is peace of heart and mind. For centuries we have seen human beings in either they were kings or they were like normal people. They always in the pursuit of peace of heart and mind. And we know that when you have a pain in your heart, that hurts more than a bullet. But the question is how you achieve this peace of heart. It's not very difficult. First of all, you have to ask yourself that what kind of peace you're looking for. Either this peace you can get for money. No, peace of heart can be achieved if you try to give someone peace. Try to learn to forgive. It's very easy. Learn to forgive other people. Take criticism about yourself. Do not try to shy away. Giving criticism or criticism on someone else is very easy, but try to enjoy it. Someone criticizes you, enjoy it. Take a step back, listen to that, and come back with kind of an answer. First, try to give answer to yourself. Okay, someone criticized you. What was the reason behind it? Either it is logical, there is a reason behind it, then try to answer yourself, then come back with a strong person. Then other thing is traveling. Traveling play a very important role to give you peace. Traveling doesn't mean that you have traveled to other countries. If you can do that, that's the best thing. But if you can travel within the country, within your own country as well, go to different cities, go to small towns, speak to the people, and try to see how the people are living within your own country. There are many small towns. I know many people that they never even travel to the next city they live. Do not isolate yourself. The problem with the peace of heart and mind happens when you lose your peace of heart and mind because you try to isolate yourself. Do not try to isolate yourself. Challenge yourself. Come out of your personality and try to see how other people are challenging themselves, how they're thriving and how they're going day by day. When you see them, it will give you a self-belief. This self-belief leads you to peace of heart. And try to have enough sleep. Other thing is this, the last part is health. Health plays a very important role in human being life. Eat healthy food, because if you are healthy, you can achieve peace of heart, and you can believe in yourself. Health could be there are issues in the health where are beyond your control. But if you want to achieve good health, simple as this: you try to eat healthy, try to invest in your food. Rather, you sometimes invest in our clothes, but you try to invest in your own food, in your own health, what you eat. Try to buy something. If you have to spend a little bit extra money, which sometimes you spend on your clothing, you spend on your shoes, try to spend on your health. Buy good food, do exercise, take extra time. You are investing in yourself, on your body. So go for a gym, do exercise. You will see once you have a good health, you will see how strong you are, and then you can make good and strong decisions which lead you to success in your life, and then people will inspire of you and you will feel good about it. You will feel peace at your heart. So this was the 3 things. To summarize that, number 1 is faith, which is in simple words believe and hope. Number 2, peace of heart and mind, and number 3 is good health. My next video will be about pursuit of happiness. There are how many happiness are there? There are 3 kind of happiness in any human being's life. So we'll talk about in next video. Thank you very much.